Alright, let's take a look at today's market. So yesterday, price sweep the one of the weekly swing low as our DOL and form SMT with ES. So I think our draw is likely previous week high and then going higher. Or we might just feel any imbalance and then push lower if we have any in low time frame. But let's just see for now. But that's for weekly wise. We still have this weekly SMT here, but the target is done already because we sweep the low. So let's just take a look if this weekly SMT gonna play out like this sweep right here, and let's see if we have any fair value gap printed or something. So we don't really have one. We are approaching previous daily high. I'm gonna mark that as well. That could be one of our target. And daily wise, don't really have much. We sweep this low and then likely gonna push higher with the SMT in place. Then let's look at 4 hour. 4 hour wise, we are kind of on bullish order flow still because we disrespected this bearish fair value gap, and then we approached into this 4 hour swing high that taps into the fair value gap and likely approaching this, but we can see on later 10 because later 10 a.m. we have news and see if we can get a nice sweep lower and then push higher into previous day high, or we just decide to go previous day high and then go lower. We have this swing high also that can be used in 4 hour wise, and then other than that we don't really have anything else. We only have this fair value gap that can be rebalanced into, but it's quite far because we're in 4 hours still. But let's just take a look on market open later. So far it's just like this on 4 hour, and then let's look at 1 hour. 1 hour is pretty much the same stuff. We basically disrespected all the bearish gap and then follow up with the bullish gap getting follow through, getting respected and going higher and seek liquidity. So I'm kind of bullish for now until we sweep some high and then we can go bearish because we're still in the movement of this. Likely gonna take this high and this high, and then yeah, we have this fair value gap that didn't get mitigated yet. It's at the top here that has higher chance to get taken out. And then let me draw the opposition, or that these could be getting rebalanced into and then push higher. And then for ES 1 hour wise, don't really have anything. We got bearish SMT right here. That's interesting. And then so far we're still following through our order flow, but we are in both fair value gap for ESY, so it's kind of in awkward spot. If this get disrespected, then we are super bullish and likely gonna take out the highs. So let's just take a look. Most of our draw on liquidity is at the high, so I'll be more paying attention to longs instead of short. And then let's look at 15 minute. 15 minute wise, we have this London high that is getting sweep soon, and we got London low right here and then Asian low right here. I'll mark this low as well just in case. And for ES, got London low and Asian low already got swept. Then we got London high right here. So let's just wait what market gonna do in open. But so far, right, in this 5 value gap still. I'm hoping to see some short in play before we can go higher actually. Because we got SMT right here. Big SMT, bearish. So if we can short on London high sweep and then push lower until price rebalance some 5 value gap, then continue higher, could be the choice as well. But we'll just take a look. And that's it for the analysis. Alright, so for today's trade, initially I went long on this sweep, but price didn't sweep anything and push higher. Then I waited until previous day high got swept, which is this one. And then we also tap into 1 hour fair value gap and also 4 hour rejection block. Then I shorted on this fair value gap because USD formed here. And then price tap into it, push lower, consolidate. And then when we tap into this is 15-minute gap. So I set break even. Unfortunately, price pushed into my entry price and then continue lower and hit TP. Nothing much about this trade, nothing special. It's just unfortunate that we got this happens again, and yeah, nothing much I can do. Let's just wait for tomorrow and see if we can get our first win this week. So far this week is still a break even week. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.